BUNN GRB Velocity Brew 10 Cup Home Coffee Brewer, Black. Fastest 10 Cup Home Coffeemaker brews a full pot of coffee in about 3 minutes. An always hot internal hot water is ready to brew hot coffee on deman. Item dimensions is 14.8 high x 7.1 wide x 13.8 deep inch. Note: replace spray head and brew funnel. Pour additional carafes of fresh, cold water into the brewer as needed until water has no vinegar smell or tasted. Exclusive drip-free carafe with a proprietary lid and spout design that arcs the pour of the coffee into the cup and wicks the coffee dribbles back into the carafe, preventing a mess on cup or counter. Multi-stream spray head showers hot water evenly over the coffee grounds. Large flat-bottom filter and funnel allows greater interaction between hot water and coffee grounds for superior flavor extraction. Brews 4 to 10 cups, 20 to 50 ounce. 3-year warranty. Backed by BUNN Customer Service in Springfield, Illinois. Based on internal testing of BUNN Speed Brew Velocity Brew coffee makers to other similar coffee makers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.